Hey guys, so itong lugar na to is closed on Sundays, no? No? Ginza. Ginza ano to? Shopping district nila. Sarado. Kaya nakapag-picture kami doon sa gitna ng kalsada. Walang nagsabi na don't stop, no? Wala, no?
Wala.
Kasi pwede. Alright, so today naman we are going to TeamLab Tokyo, isa sa pinaka-immersive digital art museum sa mundo. Dito hindi lang tayo basta tumitingin ng art, no? Tayo mismo ay nagiging parte ng experience. Bawat ilaw, kulay, bawat galaw, nagre-react sa bawat takbang at galaw mo. Para kang napasok sa ibang mundo na puno ng digital na ilog, bulaklak, tubig, ilaw at parang buhay talaga. Hindi ito yung usual na museum na tahimik lang. Dito gumagalaw yung paligid mo. Kaya ang hirap i-explain eh. Basta tara samahan nyo kami at panoorin ninyo yung kakaibang adventure na to dito sa TeamLab Tokyo. Careful! Ooh.
Parang nasa sand ako.
Huh? It's soft! Jensen, wait for us, Jensen. Jensen. Wow! This is so out of this world.
No touching of artwork.
Let's go this way. Grabe.
I thought it was the actual. Are you on the swim right now?
Don't swim in there.
This is the great head. Oh no. Sala picture ko kayo. Keep pushing it and relax. Ayan. Bye, Daddy, selfie. 5 minutes. Ito muna tayo. Nasa bakit ito ba?
Talaga ba?
I got one. Okay. I'm gonna release the thingy.
Whoa.
Oh, you man.
Point it. Elephant.
Got the elephant.
Let's try to touch this. Touch it. Where are you going? Oh, tiger, Bengal tiger.
Okay, surreal. No,
Nauntog siya. Kala niya meron pa doon. Jensen. Jensen, let's go. Go, Xing Xing. Wow, nice. That was nice. Ada na. Give mo na nakbi. Ayan, sige. And then you watch your creation. Ayan, ayan.
Will this come out?
So it will be... Lalabas yan, lalabas dito. Ah, this is... That's your snake. That's your snake, Xing Xing. Look at your snakes. Yun nga, parehas na kami. Ayun o, ayun yung dalawa. No, that's your souvenir. Wait.
Slide again!
The paper.
Ano na slide? Kaya tara dito, meron pa. Alika. Picture mo na. Go!
Down, Xing Xing. Where's mommy? Go, kuya. Same color, huh?
So, go back, one way. Not running, okay?
Okay.
One by one.
Okay, you go first.
What color do you want? Ako sa ganda gitna.
Okay, you can start.
Okay, go there.
Dali lang niya. Okay.
Start.
Wait.
Go, Xing Xing.
Good job.
Your turn, Xing Xing.
Wait for your sister. Oh, just step on the pink ones, ha?
That's too far. Go. Step. Long stride. Long step. Big step. Step. There, oh. Kakulay nun. Oh. The red one.
Hirap.
The red. You can.
Hirap yung pink eh.
There you go. Oh. Okay, it's good. Go, Xing Xing.
Pink.
Oh, you can do it pala eh. Wow. It's a moss garden. It's raining. Jensen, don't touch.
it, basta gentle.
You can all touch this.
Ah.
Halika po, mami.
Wala na, ulan na eh.
Bilisan na natin lang.
Maambon, oh. Ay, may picture na rin ako! May picture na, may video na ako. Ikot lang, ikot lang.
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah.
Mga platita.
Cool. Ma'am, pinaka-happy.
Gusto ko platita.
Mami, here, here. Si Mami ba't? Lumusot na si Mami doon. Alright, so that's our experience in TeamLab Tokyo. No? May ilan siguro hindi ko na na-videohan, pero it was a fun day and one of a kind experience, especially for the kids. No? Kami rin nag-enjoy ni Mrs. dahil talaga it's for all ages. No? Kahit anong edad mo, you'll appreciate this museum. Alright, so we're going back to the hotel. Ito rin yung gabi na lilipat kami sa Disney Hotel. Pero bago yan, pahinga lang konti at maglalakad-lakad muna kami para masulit naman yung stay namin dito. At yan, ang talaga, talagang illuminated yung mga puno nila for the Christmas season. At may mga light show and may mga water show pa yan eh. Pero towards the end nung lugar na yan, ang dami talagang ganap, ang dami nangyayari. Alright, so aside from the light show, meron din silang isang malaking skating rink, no? Ang tawag nila ay Tokyo Midtown Skating Rink. Siyempre, hindi ito palalagpasin ng ating skater girl. Yan. Yan daw ang sports niya, skating. No? So, si Atasha, si Xing Xing. Xing Xing! Dito mami, ha. They have warmer here. Warmer.
Go! Go, Jensen! Go, 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 Jensen!
Go! Go!
Jensen!
Haki!
Lagi shoelace niya. Ha? Go! Go, Shishi! Go, 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 Shishi!
Jensen! Ang ganda. Solo. Solo. Go! Xing Xing, let's go na. Pinapaalis na sila, oh. Ang galing mo. Tumayo ka. Ang galing mo. Wala pang tao. Let's go. Alright, so pinapalabas na pala dahil lilinisin yung skating rink. Anyway, umalis na rin kami dahil lilipat pa kami sa Disney Hotel. Yeah, so dyan tayo mag-stay for 2 days dahil pupunta tayo sa Disneyland and Disney at Sea. There you go. So dito talaga yung ating one of the highlights ng ating trip to Japan. Andalin tong dalawang bata na to sa Disneyland at Disney at Sea. So I believe Disneyland muna bukas and then Disney at Sea sa susunod na araw. So hopefully we'll be able to edit those videos para naman ma-share din namin sa inyo. And hopefully you are getting inspired and learning from our trip at yeah, you should try Japan, no? Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, papasok na tayo sa ating hotel room. Or pupunta na tayo sa ating hotel room. Guys, so we're here in... Okay. Saan tayo? Disney Hotel. Help me. Gusto mo muna para ano?
Pwede yung kayo lang. Bababa tayo sa video pa ulit.
Yeah.
For 180?
There's a mattress. There's a mattress.
There you go.
Daddy, there's a mattress. Down.
Open the ano nga, Nat? Nat, can you open the blinds? Let's see. Let's look out the
Oh,
window.
that is cool. I don't want to open it. It looks so
Open it, open it. There you go. That's so cool.
Oh, there's a maze. Like what we nasa meron sa ano, ibang
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Ibang Hong Kong.